你好, I'm 静宇. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn about fruit words and phrases in Chinese. Okay, let's begin. 苹果 apple 苹果苹果 I eat an apple every day. 我每天吃一个苹果。我 I 每天 every day 吃一个苹果 eat an apple 我每天吃一个苹果我每天吃一个苹果 I eat an apple every day 香蕉 banana 香蕉香蕉 I want a banana 我想要一个香蕉我想要 I want 一个香蕉 a banana 我想要一个香蕉我想要一个香蕉 I want a banana 西瓜 watermelon 西瓜西瓜 Do you want to eat watermelon? 你要吃西瓜吗？你要吃吗？ Do you want to eat 西瓜 watermelon 你要吃西瓜吗？你要吃西瓜吗？ Do you want to eat watermelon? 梨 pear 梨梨 This pear is very sweety. 这个梨非常甜。这个梨 This pear 非常甜 Very sweet 这个梨非常甜这个梨非常甜 This pear is very sweet 橙子 orange 橙子橙子 Help me bring some oranges 帮我带一些橙子帮我 help me 带 bring 一些橙子 some oranges 帮我带一些橙子帮我带一些橙子 Help me bring some oranges 葡萄 grape 葡萄葡萄 This branch of grape doesn't look very ripe. 这串葡萄看起来不太熟。 这串葡萄 This branch of grape 看起来 Look 不太熟 Not very ripe 这串葡萄看起来不太熟。这串葡萄看起来不太熟。This branch of grape doesn't look very ripe. 桃子 peach 桃子桃子 Peaches are sold in the supermarket. 超市里有卖桃子的。超市里 in the supermarket 有卖桃子的。Peaches are sold. 超市里有卖桃子的。超市里有卖桃子的。Peaches are sold in the supermarket. 柠檬 lemon 柠檬柠檬 Remember to add lemon into the tea. 记得在茶里加柠檬。记得 Remember 在茶里 into the tea 加柠檬 add lemon 记得在茶里加柠檬记得在茶里加柠檬 Remember to add lemon into the tea 草莓 strawberry 草莓草莓 Do you like strawberry jam? 你喜欢草莓酱吗？你喜欢吗？ Do you like? 草莓酱 Strawberry jam 你喜欢草莓酱吗？你喜欢草莓酱吗？ Do you like strawberry jam? 樱桃 Cherry 樱桃樱桃 We went to cherry picking yesterday. 我们昨天去摘樱桃了。我们 We 昨天 yesterday 去摘樱桃了。Go to cherry picking. 我们昨天去摘樱桃了。我们昨天去摘樱桃了。We went to cherry picking yesterday. 芒果 mango 芒果芒果 Excuse me, do you have mangoes? 请问有芒果吗？请问 Excuse me 有芒果吗？ Do you have mangoes? 请问有芒果吗？请问有芒果吗？ Excuse me, do you have mangoes? 菠萝 pineapple 菠萝菠萝 I want a pineapple pie 我想要一个菠萝派我想要 I want 一个菠萝派 a pineapple pie 我想要一个菠萝派我想要一个菠萝派 I want a pineapple pie 椰子 coconut 椰子椰子 Coconut trees are not grown here 这里不种椰子树这里 here 不种 not grown 椰子树 coconut trees 这里不种椰子树这里不种椰子树 Coconut trees are not grown here 蓝莓 blueberry 蓝莓蓝莓 I have some blueberries in my bag 我包里有一些蓝莓我包里 in my bag 有 have 一些蓝莓 some blueberries 我包里有一些蓝莓我包里有一些蓝莓 I have some blueberries in my bag 柚子 grapefruit 柚子柚子 This grapefruit is quite expensive 这个柚子好贵这个柚子 This grapefruit 好贵 quite expensive 这个柚子好贵这个柚子好贵 This grapefruit is quite expensive Okay, that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, feel free to leave your comments and likes. I will continue to update. 再见。